Hello viewers and subscriber. I am share new earning application GReward earning application. First time application open. Sign up your account. Select your age or select your gender. Okay. My total earning 43,000 coins earning. Survey offer available. Iron source. Survey complete and earning unlimited coins. And I am just click now favor survey complete and unlimited coins earning. Okay, and I am back again now and tap joy offer not available my country video watch and earning unlimited coins. Okay, one video watch 50 coins earning. Okay, my available balance 43,000 coins 700. Okay, 50 coins plus. Okay, I'm just click now coins option offer complete and earning. Just waiting now 3 minutes. Okay, application download and open. Just waiting now 3 minutes. Okay, and 400 plus coin earning. Okay, my country not offer available, your country available. Try again now. Okay, no referral. Okay, and I am just click now more options and survey complete and earning. You choose your survey. I am just click now redeem options. Okay, already redeem $0.20. Okay, gift card available. Select your country and gift card available. I am select United States US and choose your reward link option. Just click now survey gift card available and mobile recharge available. My refer code use must be my refer code use 500 coins free. Okay, and enter the referral code. Okay, my referral code use 500 coins free. And I am just click now history options. Okay, my earning history and my paid history. PayPal I am payment receipt 100% legit. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.